I met her parents when I went to my friend's home last night. What's the question of this sentence using who or whom?
Okay, sir. Who or whom did you meet when you went to your friend's home last night?
A driver drives the car to the destination. What is the question of this sentence using who or whom?
Who drives the car to the destination?
Good.
Hi viewers, I'm very happy to see you here again in this channel. Our topic to discuss today is about question words who and whom. If you want to understand it well, please watch the explanation on the next screen. Sentence pattern, pola kalimat.
When students, after listening to the explanation of how to use who or whom in question sentences, I hope you understand it well. You understand it well, don't you?
Yes, we do.
It's okay. Now, do the exercises in questions and answers. I have some sentences. Number one, I met her parents when I went to my friend's home last night. What's the question of this sentence using who or whom?
Okay, sir. Who or whom did you meet when you went to your friend's home last night?
Good. Lenta, please answer the question.
I met her parents when I went to my friend's home last night.
Good. Number two, a driver drives the car to the destination. Lenta, what is the question of this sentence using who or whom?
Who drives the car to the destination?
Good. Alice, please answer the question.
A driver drives the car to the destination.
Good. Next, number three. Mr. George is teaching English in this class now. Alice, what is the question of this sentence using who or whom?
Who is teaching English in class now?
Good. Later, what's the answer of this question?
Mr. George is teaching English in the class now.
Good. We go to number four. I think I have invited our friends. Fena, what's the question of this sentence using who or whom?
Who or whom have you invited to come to your birthday party?
Good. Later, please answer the question.
I think I have invited our friends.
Okay, good. Number five, the manager will interview the foreigners in English tomorrow. Later, what is the question of this sentence using who or whom?
Who will interview the foreigners in English tomorrow?
Good. Alice, please answer the question.
The manager will interview them in English tomorrow.
Good. Next, number 6. Oh, my uncle was coming at my home when you got there. Alice, what's the question of this sentence? Using who or whom?
Who was coming at your home when I got there?
Good. Later, what's the answer?
Oh, my uncle was coming at my home when I got there.
Very good. When we go to number 7, Grace is the cleverest student at English in this class. Tina, make the question using who or who.
Who is the cleverest student at English in this class?
Good. Later, answer the question.
Grace is the cleverest one at English in this class.
Number 8. He has taught to handle the manager's job when he has a conference in Jakarta. Later, please make the questions.
Who or whom has the manager taught to handle his job when he has a conference in Jakarta?
Alice, please answer the question.
He has taught to handle it.
Okay, very good. Well, we move to number 9. All staff are participating in the meeting to discuss financial problem. Alice, please make the question using who or who.
Who are participating the meeting to discuss financial problem?
Good. Later, answer the question.
All staff are participating in the meeting to discuss financial problem.
Very good. The last, number 10. You must call finance manager and staff. Later, please make the question using who or whom.
Who must I call to attend the discussion of our problem?
Good. Fena, please answer the question.
You must call finance manager and staff.
Well, students, good job. Thank you very much. See you in the next time in a different topic.